Morning guys, it's Theo. What's up you guys? School got canceled again for this whole week so far. There's only one day left of school. They might not run tomorrow either, who knows? But I have to go back to work anyhow because I'm gonna do some stuff. I don't know what. The first day I did about, second day I did what I did the second day. Wow, my brain is not working there. But I went to work on the second day. Third day I went to work because I was doing, Wednesday I did buses, start the buses to make sure they run. Today I do not know what I'm doing, so she just had come at 7 o'clock this morning. I did some shoveling this morning. I totally forgot to do that, but yeah, it's just been a really crazy winter this year, which it's just because of the snowdrifts. If it was not for the snowdrifts, we would still be running buses, but we do in-town buses, so yeah, either way I still get paid to do like that, so yeah, that's what's going on, you guys. Today I just did a really quick thing, just scrape off the buses, so I'm home for the rest of the day, so I don't know what we are gonna do yet. 4 days ago we had to live in a cooler, you guys. I'm glad there's snow, but we had to live in a fire cooler because our fridge broke, so we got a new one. So that's what's going on.